Alrighty then. Alrighty then, here we are at the property again. Gonna go see if we can't find a nice log to cut up with the chainsaw mill. Just looking for like maybe a 4 to 6 foot length piece, nothing too big. Piece of pine or piece of cedar, something easy. Anyway, we'll go in and we'll see what's in there. Stay tuned. All right. Well, a lot of the snow's gone, so that's pretty cool. Ben's still collecting lots of syrup, so that's awesome. And we'll go for a little stroll out to the woods. I got my stuff on my little sled. We'll make our way out. And Ben's got some extra wood here. Looks like he's found a place for a snowmobile. Awesome, man. Very cool. All right, well, we're gonna head into the woods and see what we find. All right, well, someone's been out here with a tractor, so it might be Ben's friend. Maybe they brought the tractor out. To go get some wood, because I know he needed some wood to boil down the sap. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, there's a little bit of snow left, not much. All right, well, we're gonna keep making our way into the woodlot. See ya. Alrighty, here's a good spot right here. We've got a nice piece of pine right here, a little birch on top of it. So I'll just cut the birch there, let it roll off, and then I'll cut a chunk of that. I think that'll be good. I can make a couple boards out of that just for fun, and see how it goes. All right, I got my chainsaw, and I'm gonna get everything ready and cut this bad boy up. All right. All right, that'll work. All right, a little too big for the sled. If it gives me too much trouble, I might cut it, but let's see how she works. This should be a good little jaunt back to the truck. Haha, a good workout. Alrighty then, check out this little muskrat. Oh my god, he's so funny. He came right up here. He's eating something off a tree. No, it's just hi buddy, what are you eating? I can't zoom in any further. Anyway, he's funny. Hey buddy, what are you doing? He's like, yeah, just hanging out. Just hanging out. I've noticed him the last couple of weekends I've been here. He just swims up and along the shore here, so there must be something that he likes there that he's eating. It could be, it's hard to say. Very cool though. Alright, see you there, little buddy. Alrighty then, we're back from the property and we're just enjoying a fire inside and oops, and outside. Having a beer, hanging out by the fire, watching my little muskrat friend over here. Oh, he took off. Haha, he'll be back in a second. I just showed a little video of him, but anyway, I thought I would just show the board, or the log. So I'll get this all set up tomorrow, and I will screw in the metal things, slide the guides, the pieces of 2x4 across, and then I'll get my chainsaw and I'll do a couple slabs. I'll do a 1x and a 2x, and we'll see how that goes. Just giving my other chainsaw a bit of a cleaning. It was really bogged down. So I just noticed during the cut it was just like, anyway, I opened her up and yeah, she is full. So anyway, it's good. It's good to clean that, get it all cleaned up. And anyway, tomorrow I'm looking forward to it. I'm gonna do a morning trip into one of the little nearby towns, get some food for the day, and then come back. And then in the afternoon, I'm gonna do those 2 slabs. So I'm looking forward to that. Oh yeah, let's just see. There's the muskrat. God, he's so funny. Let's see how close I can get to him. Let's see if I can zoom in, maybe. There he is. Hey, little goof. He's not too afraid of me. I was just barbecuing, and oh, there he took off again. My barbecue's just right here, so I was just talking to him for, I don't know, the whole time I was barbecuing. And a couple times he went down, and then he came right back. So he should come right back. It's actually really cool to see him come back up through the ice, through the water. So let's just stay right here, watch him. He'll be back in just a minute. Oh, well, unfortunately, we have a storm coming in, freezing rain. So I'm going to head back in the morning and come back Monday or Tuesday to finish the job outside. But for tonight, we're going to enjoy the fire, relax, and then we'll come back next week and finish the video making the slabs using the chainsaw mill. See ya. Alrighty then. So, what do you do after a ton of snow falls and you can't go outdoors and have outdoor fun? You stay indoors and you have some indoor fun. Anyway, gonna play a little bit more bridge, maybe go downstairs and play a little pool and record a few things. See ya. Thanks for watching. See ya.